Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto tuna salad and keto egg salad. All right, we've got two recipes today, two very simple recipes. That's why I put it into one video. We're going to make tuna salad and egg salad. And it's they're simple, of course. They're so simple. But I felt like, right now is the perfect time to put these videos out because we're leading into summer. We've got picnics coming up. Everyone is getting out more, more family gatherings. So let's make some tuna salad and some egg salad. We're going to start with our tuna salad. So this was 2 cans of 9-ounce cans of tuna that we drained. And to this, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Regular old mayonnaise. Actually, I like to use avocado oil mayonnaise, but you can use whatever mayonnaise you want. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Really gives this tuna salad some good flavor. 1 tablespoon of dill pickle relish. I love dill. I can't stand bread and butter pickle relish. No, I need dill. And then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of diced celery. This just gives it some crunch, some good, yummy crunch. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some pepper in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of salt in it, and then we'll do it to taste. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. I'm gonna stir it up and then taste it and see if it needs any more seasoning. This is so simple, but a picnic essential. So you can use whatever tuna you like. You can use albacore, you can use, I don't know, whatever kind you want. Doesn't matter, any tuna will do. You could even cook your own tuna. Buy tuna steaks and cook your own tuna. That looks good. So let's give it a taste. Tasty. Add a little bit more salt. So this gets much better as it sits in the fridge. Of course, let it marinate in all of the flavors so all of the flavors get into the tuna. But that's it. For keto, you can serve this with some pork rinds. You could even make a sandwich out of it with some keto bread. I love the Sola keto bread. You can make your own tortilla chips you can look at my tortilla chip recipes. Yeah, it's just something to have on hand. Like this makes quite a bit, so you can store it in the refrigerator for the week for your lunches. It's perfect for meal prep. So that's it. That's it for the tuna salad. So let's move on to the egg salad. Okay, now we've got our egg salad. We've already hard-boiled 8 eggs and we chopped them up. And so that's what we have, the base of our egg salad, of course, eggs. And to this, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, the same, any mayonnaise you like, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of dill pickle relish, salt and pepper, and my favorite secret keto-friendly ingredient is bacon. So I cut up 5 pieces of bacon and cooked them in a skillet until they were crispy. And I'm gonna add that to this egg salad, and it's going to be amazing. So we're gonna stir this up, get that mayonnaise worked in there. And just like with the tuna salad, this is perfect for a picnic, perfect for a lunch, just a quick lunch. Eggs are so nutritious. And let's give it a taste. Make sure I get some of that bacon in there. Oh, that was good. So good. Okay, but by far my favorite way to eat this is in just a lettuce cup. So I'm gonna scoop some of this tuna into a lettuce cup. Just like that. And roll it up just like that. And get a bite. That is so good. So you can do the same thing with the egg. Like I said before, you can eat these with keto-friendly tortilla chips. So if you're on YouTube, you can click this box right here for my keto tortilla chip recipe. I've got 2 different versions. Like I said before, if you can eat these with tortilla chips, and I have a video right here. If you're on YouTube, you can click this video right here and watch my keto tortilla chip recipe. I've got 2 different versions. Or if you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for keto tortilla chips. Also search for this recipe on my website, jenniferbands.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.